If you like birds, watch this video. Kind of bright, but bird. 1, 2, 3. There was 5, but 4. This is close to the lazy rivers that I'm about to go on. But yeah. And also, over there is also the lazy river. And this entire little place is sick. So yeah, if you like birds, I don't know. But anyway, just if you like birds, that's a dub. But yeah, it's crazy. One right there. Wanna see him? Head? Wanna see his head? Look at his head. But yeah, so like there. But yeah, this is the lazy river at this place I'm at. If you like what's there, I like books.